To turn on or off mobile data usage limit on the Realme C71, first of all you will have to go for the settings. From here, move into the mobile network and select your SIM card you'd like to change this mobile data usage for. So I will select this first SIM card, and as you scroll down here you can find the data warning and limit option, but as you can see it is grayed out for some reason, and that's because you currently have disabled the mobile data. So if you enable them back right now, you will be able to manage this warning and limits right here. So let's go in there, and from here you can adjust the daily data usage limit and monthly data usage limit. So first you have to enable any of these limits, and now you are able to manage them. So here you can set up any amount of gigabytes or megabytes. So for the daily limit we will set, like, for example, 2 gigabytes, something like this. And for the monthly data usage limit, let's enable this one, and from here now we can manage it, and I will set this one for 20 gigabytes, I mean. So that's how you can turn on this mobile data usage limit. And if you want to turn it off, you'll simply go into the settings of data warning and limit and press this switch to disable these limits, any of these limits that you'd like. And additionally you can set up the data warning, so if you use 2 gigabytes of the data, you'll have the warning that you have used these 2 gigabytes of the data. So yeah, that's how you can do this.